Imagine waking up every day feeling completely at peace. No lingering doubts, no overwhelming fears, and no painful memories that hold you back. Imagine living a life where your subconscious mind fully supports your dreams, where you naturally attract opportunities, wealth, and love effortlessly. What if I told you that this isn't just a dream but a reality that you can create? This is where Hooponopono comes in, a powerful Hawaiian practice that has the ability to cleanse your subconscious mind and open the doors to a brand new reality. Hooponopono isn't just about repeating words, it's about completely shifting your internal world. Your subconscious mind is like a vast storage unit, filled with memories, beliefs, and past experiences that shape your reality. Most of these beliefs were programmed into you without your consent, by society, by family, by experiences that left emotional scars. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a prisoner of your past. You have the power to reprogram your subconscious mind and rewrite your story. There's a reason why so many people struggle to manifest their dreams. They try affirmations, visualization, and even hard work, but something always seems to block their progress. That something is the subconscious programming running beneath the surface. Hooponopono helps us clear those blocks by dissolving the negative energy, trauma, and resistance that prevent manifestations from happening. A young woman named Mira had struggled for years with financial issues. No matter how much she worked, money always seemed to slip away. Deep down, her subconscious mind held memories of scarcity, beliefs she had inherited from her family, who had struggled financially for generations. When she discovered Hooponopono, she committed to practicing it daily, repeating, "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you," every time she thought about money. Within a few months, unexpected financial opportunities began showing up in her life. New clients, sudden promotions, and gifts from unexpected sources. She had unknowingly released the old subconscious blocks, allowing wealth to finally flow into her life. You see, every object, every situation, every thought carries energy. Let me share a powerful example, something you might never have thought about. Have you ever bought a brand new phone and felt like it didn't function as smoothly as it should? Or perhaps it just felt off, despite being fresh out of the box. This is because everything holds energy, including the thoughts and emotions of the people who designed, built, packaged, and handled the phone before it reached you. This is why Hooponopono can be used to cleanse even material objects before using them. Here's what you can do. When you get a new phone, hold it in your hands, close your eyes and say, "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." Direct this energy towards cleansing any negative vibrations that may be lingering on the device. You might be surprised how much smoother it operates, how quickly it responds, and how it starts to feel like it truly belongs to you. This is because you've removed any residual energy that wasn't aligned with your vibration. Now, imagine applying this same technique to your entire subconscious mind, cleansing it of limiting beliefs, past traumas, and emotional wounds. Just as you can reset a phone to factory settings, you can reset your mind to its natural state of abundance, peace, and success. But how do you truly make Hooponopono work at the deepest level? First, it requires commitment and repetition. The subconscious mind doesn't shift overnight, but with consistent practice, the change becomes undeniable. You must practice Hooponopono daily, repeating the 4 phrases with deep feeling and intention. Second, it requires trust. Many people give up too soon because they don't see immediate results. But what they don't realize is that healing and reprogramming happen beneath the surface before the external world reflects the change. It's like planting a seed. You water it daily, trusting that the roots are growing even before you see the first sprout. Third, it requires letting go of control. One of the most common mistakes in manifestation is trying to control the how and when. Hooponopono teaches us to cleanse and release rather than force outcomes. When we surrender to divine timing, we allow miracles to unfold in ways we never expected. I'll be making a video on this topic soon as well, so stay tuned. There are countless real-life success stories of people who have used Hooponopono to transform their lives. Entrepreneurs who struggled with business failures suddenly found clients pouring in. People who suffered from years of emotional pain experienced peace for the first time. Relationships that were filled with anger and resentment healed effortlessly. The shift happens not because Hooponopono changes external circumstances directly, but because it cleanses the internal resistance that prevents abundance from flowing. Now, I invite you to take the next step in your journey. If you truly want to master Hooponopono and use it for karma cleansing, you need to watch my previous video where I dive deeper into the origins of this practice and how it can cleanse deep-rooted karmic patterns. Click on the link now because understanding this foundation will make today's practice even more powerful. If you felt even the slightest shift just from listening to this, imagine the transformation you'll experience when you apply it consistently. Start today. Pick one area of your life, whether it's finances, relationships, or health, and begin cleansing it using Hooponopono. Let go of resistance. Let go of old stories. Allow the subconscious mind to reset and align with the reality you truly desire. You are not stuck. You are not a victim of your past. You have the power to rewrite your story, and it all starts with these 4 simple yet profound phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say them now, feel them, and watch how your life begins to change.